Okay, this is my car. This is the issue that I'm having here. See, I put the key in, turn it on. That's with the key on. Nothing lights up in the dash. I got radio. I don't have lights either. I don't have vanity lights. But I do have these dome lights. My AC thing is working, but it's showing fucking Celsius. I don't know why. And let's see if it'll work, but I've been cranking and it doesn't even start. See? Crank it, turn the key off, turn it back on. The only thing that lights up is that ABS, nothing else here. You crank it. Nothing. This shit got fucking, it fucked me up down the block, and somehow with all this happening, I was able to start it once, and I was able to drive it back home. But I am suspecting the problem is this ignition switch, which I'm going to get the part in a couple days. And I'm going to change that out, and I will give an update after I change it out to see how it works.